What if true Parisian luxury was not measured in square meters, but in intelligence of design? Behind a discreet Haussmannian facade lies a 30-square-meter apartment that defies expectation, where classic elegance meets modern precision. Every line, material, and volume is intentional. This is not a small home pretending to be grand. It is a masterclass in how thoughtful design transforms constraint into character, and limitation into lasting beauty. From the street, the building speaks the timeless language of Paris. A Haussmannian facade in pale limestone rises with quiet confidence, framed by tall French windows and delicate wrought iron railings. Decorative moldings add rhythm without excess, while the dark slate roof anchors the structure in history. Yet subtle modern lighting and clean detailing hint at what lies within, an interior reimagined for contemporary living. This exterior does not shout innovation. It whispers refinement, setting the tone for a home where heritage and modernity coexist seamlessly. Stepping inside, the living room immediately reframes expectations of scale. Built-in shelving stretches vertically, drawing the eye upward and maximizing every centimeter. A tailored fold-out sofa, nested tables, and concealed storage allow the room to adapt effortlessly from lounge to entertaining space. Soft cream walls with subtle moldings reflect natural light pouring through tall windows, while darker accents ground the palette. This room is not crowded, it is curated, proving that intelligent layout can make a compact space feel composed and generous. The master bedroom is a study in calm precision. A custom-built bed integrates storage beneath, while wall-to-wall wardrobes disappear into the architecture. Deep navy upholstery contrasts elegantly against light plaster walls, creating intimacy without heaviness. Brass reading lights add warmth and function, and the restrained color palette encourages rest. Despite its modest footprint, the room feels intentional and serene, an environment designed not just for sleeping, but for retreat. In the kitchen, efficiency becomes elegance. Handleless cabinetry conceals appliances, maintaining visual continuity. A marble backsplash reflects light, while adding a sense of permanence and luxury. Matte black fixtures introduce contrast, and a slim breakfast bar transforms the space into a social hub. Every surface serves a purpose, and nothing is wasted. This kitchen proves that functionality, when thoughtfully executed, can feel effortlessly refined rather than purely practical. The mezzanine introduces vertical drama to the apartment. Accessed by minimalist black metal stairs, it creates an additional layer of living without compromising openness. Overlooking the living room, the space feels connected yet private. Built-in shelving and soft textiles make it ideal for rest or reflection. Natural light filters upward, enhancing the sense of volume. This level transforms height into opportunity, redefining how space can be experienced in a compact home. The bathroom is compact, yet undeniably indulgent. Marble-clad walls elevate the space, while a walk-in glass shower preserves visual flow. A floating vanity offers storage without weight, and brass fixtures add a timeless glow. Carefully placed lighting enhances textures and reflections, making the room feel larger and more refined. This is not a compromised bathroom. It is a deliberate composition where luxury is distilled into its purest form. Outside, the front yard offers a quiet transition between city and home. Stone paving grounds the space, while minimalist greenery softens the architecture. A wrought iron gate echoes the building's historic character, and subtle lighting creates warmth after dusk. Though modest in size, the courtyard feels intentional, a moment of pause before entering the apartment. It reinforces the idea that even exterior spaces deserve thoughtful design. The rooftop extends the home into the Parisian skyline. Wood decking warms the space, while compact seating and potted olive trees create an intimate retreat above the city. As daylight fades, the contrast between the golden terrace and deep blue sky becomes cinematic. This rooftop is not about excess, it is about atmosphere, offering perspective, air, and a quiet sense of escape in the heart of the city. The working room demonstrates how productivity can coexist with elegance. A wall-mounted fold-down desk disappears when not in use, preserving openness. Built-in shelving keeps the space organized, while ambient lighting supports focus without harshness. The restrained palette minimizes distraction, turning a small corner into a purposeful environment. This is a workspace designed for modern living, where work adapts to life, not the other way around. At the rear, the backyard offers privacy and calm. Vertical garden walls introduce greenery without sacrificing space, while stone flooring maintains continuity with the home's materials. Soft lighting creates an evening sanctuary, ideal for reflection or quiet conversation. This outdoor room reinforces the apartment's philosophy. Every area, no matter the size, should contribute to quality of life. This 30-square-meter Parisian apartment proves that luxury is not defined by size, but by intention. Through intelligent planning, refined materials, and respect for architectural heritage, it transforms limitation into opportunity. It is a reminder that great design does not ask for more space, it asks better questions. And when answered well, even the smallest homes can live beautifully.